Alright, here we are back with our coffee machine part has arrived. Let's put it in. I'm curious about how that goes into here. Now I get the old one out. Might have a bit of a plate. Looking on the inside of this plastic here, there's a thread. Can't really see it on the camera. So maybe it's wound into it. Maybe that's also why there are these little grooves on the side of it for something to grab onto it. So I'll grab a spanner. Put it on the new one. That's twisting on there. Most useful tool in the world, a flathead screwdriver. That or a pair of pliers. Alright, so what's happened with these little sockety things is there's a nut underneath the screw that's sort of fallen down, or that's sort of in this package thing, so I'm going to have to try and line it up with the screw, which it'll be a total pain. Nothing is ever simple. Now this other nut is jammed in the back corner and I won't be able to get to it. The fun goes on. Alright, a bit of double-sided sticky tape on the end of my prodder. Zip tie prodder. Get in and get that nut. Come here, you bastard. Yeah. Lost my sticky. I figured out the solution. Aha! Alright. Alrighty, here we go. Oh, what a beautiful little sight. I'll show you that. That little nut there. Come into view. using the screwdriver to fish it out, I just realised, what do you know? There's our next fix. So I just realised that I could put the nut in with the magnetic of the screwdriver, but the screwdriver is not long enough. Double-sided sticky tape is not amazingly sticky. So it sort of just holds onto it. Not good enough. I did take a photo of that. Oh, sorry, I haven't been showing you anything. So I put this sucker on, these two. And let's fire up and see what we will see. Here goes nothing. Oop. Still shaking away there. Whoa-ho-ho! Success! The morning brew. Fixed. Yeah. Brewski. Now to clean up the mess.